It's quite unfortunate that some ladies will sex starve just because they are pregnant. If you're pregnant as a lady, it doesn't mean that you should avoid intercourse. And as men, we should always understand that for a lady to be pregnant doesn't mean that she does not enjoy intercourse. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of our health discussion. On today's discussion, we'll be looking at the benefits of sex during pregnancy or sex during pregnancy. Why is it important? And what are the benefits? And why should you make sure that you enjoy this act? Thank you so much for joining me. This is Check Your Health and Maintain Your Wealth. Please, if you're clicking on a video for the very first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click notification. I really do hope that we all are going to enjoy this discussion together as we look at these points. Thank you so much. Now, the very first benefit of intercourse during pregnancy is that it is a form of exercise, right? So normally we all know that intercourse is some sort of exercise where you have to burn some calories. So having intercourse when you're pregnant will actually improve circulation of blood because you will be exercising. So I encourage you, please don't sex starve if you are pregnant. The next is you have to activate some of the hormones in you. You know, during intercourse, immediately you arrive the big O. What happens? You see this feel good moment, you enjoy that moment where you arrive orgasm. These are hormones that are built in your system such that when you reach this moment, these hormones let your system enjoy the time. So having intercourse during pregnancy actually stimulates these feel good hormones, and you know that pregnancy comes with a lot of mood swings. So this can also help you remove these mood swings as well. The next point is that during intercourse you explore other positions, right? So if you're pregnant, that's the time that you try to, hey, let us explore this other position that we've not been trying before. So you try to see how it's gonna be. So you know, there are some people that since they were married, you have just one position. That isn't good at all. You need to explore other positions, and pregnancy is actually an ideal time for you to explore this other position. The next advantage is it is a bonding between you and your partner, right? So during intercourse, you bond together because you enjoy the act, and it sort of brings the two of you together. Because some people just run away from their partners when they are pregnant. This isn't good at all. So during intercourse, you're going to bond together, and this helps to actually bring both of you together. The next advantage of you enjoying this act is that to some ladies, this is actually the best moment for them to enjoy intercourse when you are pregnant. Now, not every lady will actually enjoy this, so always talk with your lady. If she's the type that enjoys it, please, as a man, do not shun her away. But if she's the type that doesn't enjoy this, please also talk with her and make sure that when doing it, you do it so that both of you have to enjoy this. So during this act, since pregnancy has to do with a lot of hormones, so during this act, some ladies actually enjoy this better because of these hormones that are being produced when you are enjoying. I really do hope that our ladies out there can really take this opportunity, and us men, make sure we take this opportunity and enjoy this beautiful act that has been created by the Almighty. The next point is that it makes delivery somehow a little bit easier, because during the act you have this feel good hormone being produced, you have the oxytocin hormone being produced, you have the prostaglandin hormone being produced. Because of these hormones that are being produced, these hormones will also help you if you are delivering. So during delivery, these hormones that we produce when you're enjoying the act will actually help secrete and helps in contraction during delivery. Now, upon all of this, we have some positions that if you take these positions during enjoyment, I bet you will love it. And these are one of the best positions if you are pregnant. Okay, these are one of the best sex positions if you're pregnant. So among these, we are going to discuss, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So we're going to take the spooning, we're going to take you on top as a lady, we're going to take you on top of pillow, and then we're going to take the reverse cowgirl. So there is actually cowgirl and there's also the reverse cowgirl. I don't know how many ladies have tried to explore all of this together. Please, if you haven't, try and see how you can enjoy this beautiful act that the Almighty has given you. So the very first one is spooning. Spooning on your left. So with spooning, you're going to see that the weight is somehow reduced with spooning. So when you're spooning, the weight is not really on you, it's not really on your man, and it helps you enjoy the act. When you're pregnant, the next one is you on top. You on top also make sure that you don't put a lot of pressure on yourself. Remember, when you're pregnant, you're heavy, right? So for him to go on top of you would mean that there's a lot of pressure being applied on your belly. But if you're on top, it actually removes this pressure on you and helps you to enjoy this act better. So if you have not tried you on top, please make sure you try this, and I bet you're going to come back here to say that you did enjoy it. The next one is on top of a pillow. Okay, yeah, putting a pillow so that you don't feel maybe the force from the pressure during the act will also make you to enjoy this beautiful act. I know using a pillow is something most people have been using, but I really do believe that if you're pregnant, you can always use this particular method by using a pillow so that you avoid the force or the pressure being applied during this beautiful act. And then the last one, which is reverse cowgirl, and this is a method that I don't think most ladies actually try this. Please go home and try this method, the reverse cowgirl method. Go home and try this method and you see something. This method means that instead of you having the normal cowgirl, you're rather taking the reverse method of cowgirl. With this one, I bet you're going to enjoy intercourse to the fullest. You're going to enjoy this beautiful act. I really do hope that we all are going to maybe look at this and try to follow it. Please, if you have any question, put in the comment section. You can also send us a WhatsApp message to 00237 666 You can visit us at Way in Kwenkifiru Building, 2nd floor. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We are Check Your Health and Maintain Your Wealth. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Do have a beautiful time.